Are you ready to discover how you can revolutionize your construction business? In the next few minutes, I will show you 5 innovative construction systems that will transform the way you build. If you're looking to start your own construction business, these cutting-edge ideas will be incredibly helpful to get you started with the latest technology. Check the description to find more details on some of these. Number 1. Polycare has developed a unique building system consisting of special polymer concrete blocks and a modular assembly system known as MAS. These blocks are designed to interlock perfectly without the need for mortar or glue, making the construction process both quick and efficient. The blocks meet all building physics standards through a friction lock bond for permanent use or a screw connection for temporary constructions. There are 5 different block types, allowing for various wall configurations, and additional components like window and door lenses complete the system, enabling the construction of complex buildings. Polycare blocks are produced by fusing sand in resin through a chemical process, creating polymer concrete with exceptional physical properties. These blocks do not require plaster or paint for protection, though these can be applied if desired. The polymer concrete shell accounts for 20% of the block's volume, providing structural rigidity, while the core is filled with insulation material. For pipe installation, a specific block is available, and electric cables can be led vertically through any Polycare block or horizontally through the additional block. This innovative system allows anyone to build their own house without heavy machinery. Smaller houses can be constructed in just a few days, and the blocks can be dismantled and reused, making the system economical and sustainable. Polycare is also developing software called Polybuilder, which allows users to design buildings within the polyblock structure, providing a list of required blocks and parts and an editable visualization and construction plan. Hundreds of homes in Namibia have already been built using polyblocks, showcasing the system's effectiveness. Number 2. Next, we explore JD Composites, a company that has found a way to use discarded plastic bottles as building materials. JD Composites specializes in creating structural insulated panels made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. The process involves shredding and heating plastic bottles to form plastic pellets, which are then extruded to create a foam core. This foam core is bonded with laminate resin, forming rigid and durable panels about 6 inches thick. An additional thin fiberglass layer and UV-resistant paint are applied for protection. These panels eliminate the need for framing, separate insulation, siding, and shingles, offering an all-in-one product. They are impermeable to water and moisture, ensuring no degradation of structural and insulation properties. The panels have an R value of 30, suitable for cold climates, and no thermal bridging common in standard wood construction. Designed and cut in the factory, these panels are delivered and assembled on-site, with the assembly process taking only a few days. Interiors can be finished with traditional materials like drywall. JD Composites has completed several projects, including a 2,000 square foot prototype house in Nova Scotia. Their vision is to shift from a linear use and dispose economy to a circular model based on recycling and sustainability. This approach not only addresses plastic pollution, but also provides a viable and eco-friendly construction method. Number 3. In Colombia, Woodpecker is turning byproducts from the coffee industry into a viable building material. Based in Bogota, Woodpecker combines ground coffee husks with polymer plastic to create wood plastic composite WPC. This material is lightweight, strong, fireproof, durable, pest-resistant, and built to withstand moisture without any exterior finish. Woodpecker sources coffee husks from mills across Colombia, materials that would otherwise be discarded. They also use locally recycled plastic polymer, making WPC an eco-conscious product. The company initially started researching this material with a local university, looking for a strong yet lightweight construction material. Coffee husks were chosen for their strength, dryness, and local abundance. The material is molded into an interlocking shape for easy assembly on-site without special tools. Woodpecker sells WPC wholesale and offers prefab houses that can be assembled on-site, costing as little as $4,500. These houses have steel frames and WPC walls, floors, and decking. Due to their affordability and ease of installation, the Colombian government used Woodpecker housing to help locals recover after Hurricane Iota in 2020. The company's goal is to provide low-income housing and social infrastructure for Colombia's impoverished areas. Number 4. WikiHouse is an open-source construction system that enables anyone to design, manufacture, and assemble high-performance homes independently. The project's mission is to democratize design and construction, benefiting the wider public. Design files are freely available under a Creative Commons license and can be downloaded from the online library and customized using SketchUp modeling software. Structural plywood pieces are cut out with a CNC router and assembled on-site using wedge and peg connections. The frame is finished with cladding, insulation, wiring, and plumbing, making it ready for habitation. Unlike many traditional building systems, WikiHouse doesn't require a large centralized factory. Components can be produced from digital files at local CNC workshops, enhancing sustainability. The WikiHouse system can be disassembled and reused, promoting a sustainable approach to construction. The project is developed by a community of designers and engineers, with all information and files shared freely for anyone to use and improve. However, users must ensure compliance with local regulations, building codes, and safety standards. The company is currently testing a new version of the system to enhance performance and simplicity. Number 5. Finally, let's look at Lok-N-Blok, a building system that simplifies wall construction while introducing a new composite material with superior structural strength and insulation qualities. The base material, NVN20, is a proprietary blend made from carbon and hydrogen, designed to be eco-friendly and manufactured without dangerous emissions. Developed over a decade, NVN20 features high compressive and tensile strength, water resistance, high insulation value, UV resistance, and sound absorption properties. Lok-N-Blok blocks interlock without special tools, glue, nails, or cement. A post-tensioning system runs from the footers vertically through the entire wall to the top plate, ensuring all interlocks are pulled tightly together. The system incorporates windows, doors, and roofs similarly to other construction methods. Integral channels run horizontally and vertically through the blocks for easy installation of electrical, plumbing, and utilities. Once the walls are complete, any interior or exterior cladding can be installed, with the ability to nail and screw into Lok-N-Blok like wood. The blocks resist mildew, rot, and decomposition, and do not attract bugs. Lok-N-Blok reduces labor and material costs and accelerates building times. The company has started production and is preparing to bring Lok-N-Blok to the market. Each of these innovative building systems offers unique advantages, from sustainability and cost savings to ease of assembly and durability. By embracing these new technologies, the construction industry can significantly improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. These systems demonstrate that building a home or starting a construction project doesn't have to be a daunting task. Instead, it can be an opportunity to innovate, save money, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Thank you for joining me on this adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights and business tips. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep building the life you've always imagined. See you soon.